Again, talking with Rebel Wheels NYC this morning, I was talking about having to do something about the gutter. You hear how loud that is? My bedroom, where I sleep, that's my window right there. And so this is the corner of my bedroom. And I guess the rain also falls in that curve, because I'm having trouble believing that I'm hearing this so loud that's down here. The rain that falls from the top to the bottom here. It's possible, but parent bird scared the daylights out of me. We're going to do this real quick. Alright, here's the babies. They are sleepy babies. Come on, clear up, clear up. I gotta get out of here. Boy, they are not moving. I thought baby birds were way more active than this. Okay, can you hear the cheep, 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 cheep kind of sound? Of course, a truck's got to go by as soon as I'm talking about listening to something. But the sort of frantic sounding bird is one of the parents of the bird nest babies, and scared the daylights out of me. Came real close. I thought I was going to get dive bombed. The stones are of course very wet after pouring. So I'm walking very carefully. Shall we eat a berry? I'm a little freaked out this morning. Not just because of the bird, but the news that some woman from trying to escape flooding passed away. It's freaky news. There is nothing ripe on this bush. Not that I can see, anyway. Well, maybe that one. See if it pulls off. Yep. Hollow middle. Raspberry. Trying to remember. This is my official apology for the taunting. I'm sorry, Mother Nature. Please don't take it out on everyone. This is getting unbearable for some people. It's a lot. I appreciate not having to water the garden every night. That's huge, but yeah, this is a lot. This is a lot. There was water all the way up to the door of this porch. That's a lot of wind and rain. I'm going to show you real quick the size of this porch. It's not a tremendous porch, but for the wind and rain to be so strong, this just started, this rain, and that's the edge of the wet, and this part's still dry yet. So someday I'll be able to get the threshold and the door frame fixed. Yeah, that's someday. Alright, so this black bit and the threshold, that was all wet at the closed door. So you can hear the rain coming down in the gutter. That's how heavy it is already. I know I did wrong. I know that now. And I admit it. I knew it then. Mother Nature, I'm sorry. I should not have taunted. Taunting is bad. Bad taunting. Bad. Are tauntauns sarcastic creatures? I'm sorry. I get distracted. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I just hoped to brighten people's day. I thought it was amusing. It's just about every day. The forecast calls for thunderstorms every day except 2 for like the next 2 weeks. I'm sorry. I did not mean it. I didn't mean it. Even the trees are sad. Maybe it'll help my willow. I'm sorry. Please. Please. I mean, I'm pretty much alright. But there are people whose lives are being really badly affected. It's too much. Please. But on that note, so glad this isn't winter. We wouldn't be able to open the doors. I ought to look into snowshoes.